Students, so today we are going to start with our new lesson from EVS2 book, that is lesson number 4, India's physical features. Students, in this lesson we are going to learn about the location of India, the 6 regions of India, how physical features affect the lives of people, comparing 2 regions of India. So in India's physical features, we will study about all the physical properties, the physical features of India. Now what are these physical features? When we use the word physical, that means what you see, right? All the features, the appearance. So if we talk about the physical features of India, that means we will study about how the India looks, what are the boundaries of India, who are the neighboring countries of India, what are the different regions in India, right? What are the different platforms, all the different regions which you can see. So how is the appearance of the different places. So all these things will come under physical features. So today we will see the different physical features of India. So let us start with the things section. Here in things section, Rashi has seen a picture of an animal that looks different from the ones that she has seen so far. She tells Meher about it. So here Rashi says, Meher, look at this picture of a goat. Meher says, that is not a goat. It looks so different from the goats in Pune. Maybe Murad will know more about this goat. So Meher and Rashi take the picture to Murad. They go to Murad. So Murad says, this is a mountain goat. It is found in Ladakh. So Rashi says, it looks so different from the goats we see in Pune. So students, if you see the pictures which they have given you here of the goat in Ladakh and the goats in Pune, you can see both the pictures are different. The goat which is in Ladakh and the goats which you see in Pune both look different. The physical appearance of both the goats are different. So have you guessed why is it so? Can you think? Why it must be so that both are goats. So why the appearance is different? Because of the region. The one is in Pune and the other one is in Ladakh, right? So we will see this, why this happens in the further part. So here one question is asked. Why do the goats found in Ladakh look different from the ones found in Pune? So what do you think, students? They have given you the 4 options over here. First, the climate of Ladakh and Pune is different. B, Ladakh is not an important city. C, Pune is closer to Mumbai, a big city. And 4, there is no water in Ladakh. So what do you think? Option A, B, C, D. We have read. Yes, the right answer is option A. The climate of Ladakh and Pune is different. So as the climate is different in Ladakh and Pune, therefore the both goats are different. The appearance of both goats are different. So students, we will start with the remembering section now. Here, just as the states are located in India, our country is situated in the continent, right? Continent of Asia. It is the 3rd largest country in Asia. India measures about 3,214 kilometers from north to south. The length from west to east is 2,933 kilometers. So students, as we know, there are different continents. So the biggest continent, that is Asia. So India is situated in Asia and India is the 3rd largest country in Asia. Okay, India is the 3rd largest country, right, in Asia. If you see the map which they have given, you can see India is the largest. All other countries surrounding India are smaller than India, right, except China. So it is 3rd largest country. Okay, students. Now we will see India is surrounded by the following neighboring countries. Now you know what is neighboring. We have discussed earlier. So neighboring are your surrounding, right? The one who is closer to you. So which are the other countries which have surrounded India? So they are Afghanistan, Pakistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar and Sri Lanka. So these are the different countries which are the neighboring countries of India. So students, if you can see in this map, India it is given in the light brown color, and the other colored countries, you can see Afghanistan in green, Pakistan in blue, you can see yellow color China, then you have Bhutan down there, red Nepal, then you have Myanmar, can you see? And in the below, the small country, that is Sri Lanka. So students, these are the different neighboring countries which are surrounding India, right? So now we will see the physical features of India, right? We are going to see the physical features of India. Now you know students, if you see this map, you have now known how to see, how to use a map, right? So now which is the north side? You can see the upper portion, that will be your north side, and the below portion, that is your south side. Okay students? So now to the north, India is surrounded by the Himalayas, the world's highest mountain range. Okay, the world's highest mountain range, Himalayas, they are in the north side. They are in the north side of India. To the south, east and west, India is surrounded by water. If you can see here, you can see this map, all this blue color, it is water. Therefore, the south, east and west of India is surrounded by water. There is a lot of variety in India's physical features. You will see different kind of physical features in India. So, physical features include landforms, water bodies and soil. So, we will discuss about the different landforms, the water bodies and the soil. So you see variety in these landforms in India. You will find different types of landforms, different types of water bodies, the soil, everything is in variety in India. Therefore, it is said that India's physical feature has a variety. Now here, plains, mountains, plateaus, deserts and islands are examples of landform. Now what is landform? Land, you know, a plain land. So this land has different types, right? So here they have given you few lands are plain, few are mountains, right? Few are plateau, few are deserts, some are islands. So we are going to discuss this in the further part. Okay students? Now here, based on the physical features, India can be divided into 6 regions. They have divided India into 6 regions. So how many physical features, how many regions does India have? So it has 6 different regions. Which are those? The first one is the northern mountains. Second, the northern plain. Third, the Great Indian Desert. Fourth, the Peninsular Plateau. Fifth, the coastal plains. And sixth, the islands. So these are the 6 regions which we are going to discuss further in this lesson. Okay students, so which are those 6 regions? The northern mountains, the northern plain, the Great Indian Desert, the Peninsular Plateau, the coastal plains and the islands. So these are the main 6 regions, the physical features of India.